Hello. So this is what happens when I try to install Fedora on my main PC. And it doesn't matter. Yeah, it's trying to focus here. It doesn't matter what version. I tried with Fedora 26, 27, and this is 28. And the computer completely frees up. I think it has to do with the graphics. It doesn't seem to like my graphics card, the Nvidia GTX 660. And this is the second time I tried to install Fedora today. And yeah, it just completely frees up. And I try to move my hand here. The mouse, I'm moving the mouse. Nothing happens. It just completely frees up. So what I have to do is that I actually need to hold down the power button on the computer to turn it off. That's the only way. And I heard there are some kind of solutions for this. One of them is to turn off power management in the BIOS. That's what I have done right now. Doesn't solve anything. The second one is to log in with, when you have your user and log in with gnomon.xorg. But it's kind of hard to log in when you can't even install it. So yeah. And my computer specs is a home build computer. The motherboard is from ASUS. It's the Z170-P. It's an Intel Skylake i5 6600K. And it's got 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. It has Nvidia GTX 660 graphics card. And an 80 GB Intel SSD. Really old one. But yeah. This is my experience with Fedora. Can't even install it anymore. So yeah, see you later.